Procreate Smile Design. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to create a simple, cute smiley face in Procreate Pocket step by step. Beginners especially look for clear guidance on using layers and highlights to improve their digital drawing skills quickly and confidently. Open Procreate Pocket on your device and start by creating a new project. Tap the plus icon in the top corner to create a new canvas. Then choose a square canvas size so your artwork has balanced proportions on all sides. Once the canvas opens, tap the brush icon to access the brush library and select the Monoline brush for clean and smooth edges. Pick a bright yellow color from the color panel, then draw a perfect circle in the center of the canvas. Hold your pencil in place to automatically smooth the shape and fill the circle completely with the same yellow color. Next, create a new layer above the base circle and turn on clipping mask so any shading stays inside the circle. Choose a darker yellow shade and softly shade the bottom area of the circle to create depth. Lower the brush opacity to make the shading subtle, and gently blend it until the transition looks smooth and natural. Create a new layer specifically for the eyes and pick a solid black color. Draw two oval eyes on the upper half of the circle. Then adjust their position so they are symmetrical and evenly spaced. Add another new layer for the mouth and draw a curved smile line below the eyes. Thicken the smile slightly to make it more visible. Then add a small pink tongue shape inside the mouth for extra expression. After that, add a small white highlight inside each eye to give them a lively look. Create a new layer for the main highlight on the face, pick a white color, and switch to a soft airbrush. Gently add a glossy shine on the top left area of the circle to simulate light reflection. Lower the highlight opacity so it blends naturally with the base color. Then export your artwork through the Actions menu to save or share your finished design.